Recording.
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तः प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. Priyanka ji, if you're talking, we can't hear you.
Oh, now you can?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, I didn't unmute myself. Okay, so I had given this option in the first part 8a that, you can do it with the upasarga or without, based on if you're comfortable with the sandhi or not. But I thought it's interesting to do it with the upasarga because, when we see forms like this in the text, if we are trying to read, then it gets actually like I do get very confused that, how this has formed because this in lang lakara forms, makes a difference and it comes between the upasarga. So here in the final answer sheet, I've given the 3-1 forms with the upasarga and, we can see how it declines. Then this exercise where we first had to fill in the sentence with lang lakara forms and then we had to redo the same thing with tavatu pratyaya. So mostly everybody got it right. Only this one option was there where it said a patham, like not full, it should be a pathama. And then this one, somebody had written a gachatam where it should be a gachata. Otherwise, mostly they were right. Then in Tavatu Pratyaya, again, because it's yuyam, Tvam yuvam yuyam, that means it's 1-3. So this will become Gatavantaha, not... and also somebody had written Gacchantau. So, when we add the Tavatu Pratyaya, we won't use Gacha, it becomes Gatavat. And then it declines like Dhimat. Same thing here, Aham Avam is 1-2 form. So it becomes Kritavantau, not Kritavantaha. And then mostly people got it right. One of the answer sheets I saw Kridantaha, but it changes to Kriditavantaha. And then Kriditavan, sorry, and then it declines.
Sorry. Uditavan, Uktavan is wrong. Kadapi Satyam Uditavan or Uktavan.
No, Vad, when you add Ta Pratyaya to Vad, it becomes Uditavat. That might be coming from a different dhatu, maybe, if you have taken Uktavat, you said?
Maybe Vach. Uktavan.
Yeah, maybe like it comes from a different dhatu. Yeah. So, okay. So next part was rewrite the sentence using ta pratyaya. So that means we had to convert the whole sentence to karmani prayoga. So mostly, again, people got it right. Just in one of the answer sheets, I saw that, only the verb was replaced. So for example, the sentence had a gachaha. So you converted that to gataha. But, rest of the sentence was not converted to karmani prayoga. So basically, when we do that, this tvam, which is going with a gachaha, now comes in 3-1. So it becomes tvaya or tena. And ashramam, which was the object earlier, now becomes the karta. So it comes in 1-1. So just small errors here and there, which I noticed. Somebody had written prichaha. So again, prich. Change.
Here the key thing is that the ta pratyaya, the verb will go with the kridanta will go with the subject.
Yes.
Object, sorry. Object.
No. So here saha and aprichata go together, right?
Correct,
So
correct.
this will go now, it will become by him. So saha becomes tena.
Mhm.
Right?
Yeah, that is fine. What about the prashnaha, prishtaha?
The
The
prishtaha-
lingam.
It's karmani.
Aprishtaha is
Yeah,
wrong.
karmani.
Going
It is
with
karmani.
karmani,
So
yeah.
katha shruta.
Yeah, so prishtaha will go with prashna.
Pustakam patitam. So, like, like pustakam, if it is like, depending on the subject.
Prishtaha will go with prashnaha.
Prashna.
Prashnaha,
Yeah,
correct.
it
Yeah.
will go with the object, yes. Karma.
Which is in first vibhakti.
Yes.
Right.
This will be in first, yeah. So then next one, again, it should be Shruta. Only
Sorry. Aprishtaha will not come.
No, because a here is because this is Langlakara. So the dhatu is
Astu
prich.
Mahodi.
And when you add the pratyaya, you will add it to prich, not a prich. A is
Astu.
only coming for its Langlakara. So next one, here it will become from Shru Dhatu, it becomes Shruta. Only in one of the answer sheets I saw Shravita. I am not sure how that form came, but that's not correct. And also here,
No, it is no. It is Shravaya is Nich. It is Shravitaha.
right.
It is not Shru. Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
okay,
So it is Shravita. Yeah.
right, okay. So and this Ruchiram should not be there, right? It will be Ruchira.
It is Ruchiram actually. It is no. Adyaham
Ruchira
Vadye.
Katha.
Ruchiram is okay. Ruchiram Katam. No, one
No,
second.
but
Let me see my.
is
one
that
second.
neuter? Ruchiram. I mean, I thought it's feminine, right? So it becomes Ruchira in one.
Adyam- It's actually an adjective here, isn't it? Katam.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
go
it should
with
be.
Katha, right?
Yeah, it should be Kata. Yeah, Ruchira Kata. Yeah, right.
Yeah, so this
Ruchira
is the-
Kata Shravita. Yeah.
Shravita is because of ninja. It is ninja.
Nich. Yeah, it is
Yeah,
Nich. Yeah.
Nich.
Nich. Yeah. It's I
Hmm.
narrate.
I
It's
wrote
not I
Shravita.
hear. I wrote. It's
Hmm.
not I heard. It is I narrated.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So this is wrong.
Was a cause for.
Okay, so next one. Here this te is 1-3. So here this should be tehi, not ten. Or tabhyam also. So it has to be tehi. Then here rakshi purushena, not na, because of sandhi rules, this would become na. Then rest were mostly okay. Here anayat, only in 1 or 2 places I saw neetam. But this is if it was anayat, then it would have been neetam. But because it's that means the upasarga was added. So it becomes neetam. Then this one. So we had to spot that, where this halau is coming from, and we had to write down the pratipadikam. So just somewhere I noticed hala was written. So it's not hala, it's hal. This one had 2 options. So this H comes from H. and answer was written as 1-1. So this is not 1-1, it would be 6-1. H declines like Marut Shabda. So in 5-1 or 6-1, it becomes Hah. Or I think 1-3 also, 1-3 and 2-3. But here it's taken as 6-1. Here Adi was the Pratipadikam, and what we have, the word is Adayaha. So it's not 1-1, it's 1-3. In this one, Kartari was the word, and we had to find the Pratipadika. So I'm not sure why Shap was written. I mean, Shap is there in the Sutra, but we had to write for the word that I have given here. So Pratipadika for Kartri is Kartr, which is 7-1. Same here, Shamam. So Pratipadika, not Shan was given, which is not correct. For Shamam comes from Sham, which is 6-3. Here this was split into two words, but for Nya Janoho, the Pratipadika would be Nyajan. Then for Chutu, it's Chutu with a Praswa Ukara, not Ch and T separately. Then Uhu is a 6-1 form of Rikara. This many people did not write. So, you know how we decline Datra Shabda. So in 5-1 and 6-1, it becomes Dhatuhu. So this Uhu is coming from there. Hence the Pratipadika is Rikara. Any questions so far in this? Then we had to translate this to English. So I had written this also, right? So nobody looked at this title here, but everybody just translated the verse. But I did try to figure out what the samasa is here. So Shri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram, I'm definitely not 100% sure if it's correct or not. But so first I split Shri Vishnu and Sahasranama, and that's 6 TP. Then I took this one, Sahasranama. So Sahasranam, Nam Samahar Dviguhu. Then took Shri Vishnu, which becomes Shrihi Vishnuhu Karmadharya. Then comes the verse. And mostly people got only wrote the translation of the whole verse and, you know, missed doing the samasas. And I technically did not give that in the specifically mention in when I just wrote translate to English. So, but yeah, I should have written that, you know, try to find the Vigraha Vakyas of the samasa. So I've given that here. Some people did do it as well. One of the answer sheets for this one, Shukla Ambaram said Karmadharya or TK. Karmadharya, but yeah. And so answered it as who wears white clothes. So answer is one who wears white clothes, but then that is Bahuvrihi, not Karmadharya. Next one was Shashi Varnaha. Again here shines like a moon, given as the Karmadharya. It should be Bahuvrihi, one who is of the color of the moon. Then Chaturbhujam is...
Sorry, 1 second, Priyanka. Can you go up? What is Shuklam Ambaram? Shuklam Ambaram is Karmadharya, no?
Yes. So
Shuklam Ambadar.
is
Yeah.
white cloth.
Yeah, white cloth. Karmadhar.
Yeah. So in one of the answer sheets, it was written as Karmadharya, but the answer was given as one who wears white clothes. So that is wrong.
Okay.
So
it's white cloth. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think I right now also just said it the other way around. Maybe that's why I confused you. So the correct answer is Karmadharya, white cloth. And then when
I had written KT, maybe KT. I mean, I refer to Karmadharya because it is Karmadharya Tatpurusha.
Yeah.
I refer to it as KT. Okay.
Yeah. And then, yeah, when it becomes Shukla Ambaram Dharaha, then it's...
No, I
Then
think that is an
Shashivarnaha,
Upapada Tatpurusha.
sorry?
Shukla Ambara Dharaha would be Upapada Tatpurusha.
Upapada Tat.
No, I had the same doubt also, but I think Ena Saha Bahuvrihi sounds correct. Even I had the doubt. It could be Dharam, Shuklambaram, Dharam. So even I thought Dharati. That's why you said Upapada, right?
Huh.
So Dhara,
Even I thought
actually,
so.
does it incorporate the meaning of one who wears itself?
One who
That's why
wears-
Ena sounds right. That's why Ena sounds right. Yeah. Even I thought initially Shuklambaram Dharati. Iti Shuklambaradaram. But Ena sounds better. Ena Saha Bahuvri.
Yena saha bahuvrihi.
Yeah, okay. Harsha ji, you can note this as a doubt because you look in a doubt.
So
No,
what was your Vigravakya, Harsha ji? Is it Shuklambaram Dharati iti or something else?
No, so I'd split it first as Shuklam cha asau ambara Shuklam
Oh.
Karmadaraya. Shuklam Dharati Shuklam Dharaha.
That's what even I wrote first, but then I changed it to Enasa. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, we can ask.
I'll still check this. Then Shashivarnaha. So Bahuvrihi, one who is of the color of moon. Chaturbhujam, Chatvarah Bhujaha Yasya Saha Chaturbhujaha, one with 4 arms. Then Prasanna Vadanam Yasya Saha Bahuvrihi. Harsha ji, I have not seen your sheet. So if anything is different, then you can tell me. Like if you had answered any of these differently, apart from Shuklambaram.
I think others are identical.
Huh?
Others are identical.
Okay. Then Sarva Vigna Upashantaye is so Sarva Vignaha is Karmadharya and Sarva Vigna Upashantaye becomes 60p. And I think in 2 places I noticed it was written as Lord Vishnu, but this verse is actually for Lord Ganesha. And they have described him as Vishnu because he is all pervasive. And the verse comes from Vishnu Sahasranama, but we start with praying to Ganesha. So, the verse is actually for Ganesha. Yeah,
I think that is something every book will say different. Whether it is Ganesha or Vishnu, but whoever it is that all pervasive, that same Ishvara being mentioned. Because if you see in some books, they will say it is for Vishnu,
Okay.
and some books will say that it is for Ganesha. So that is still fine. Whatever it is all pervasive Vishnu.
Yeah, actually, I have Swamiji's book. So there he has.
Yeah, Swamiji's book he
that,
mentions Ganesha, correct?
But then he also
In
says
the
that
Vaishnava book, in Vaishnava book they will mention it as Vishnu.
No, even in Swamiji's book, he mentions
He
sometimes
mentions
it is Vishnu also.
Yeah, that it can also be taken as the.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that is fine.
Vishnu.
That's fine. Whatever it is fine.
Okay. So I'll just remove this, to be honest. Like
Mm.
you can use it as you like. Whoever you love more, it's okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay, any questions in this one? Okay. Any other questions, anybody from any other exercise?
I think one thing I wanted to thank you, because without your Excel sheet, I don't think I could have done this exercise. I couldn't have had time to go and see all the lectures. Your Excel sheet came
The sutras
great.
for the
Yeah,
sutras.
sutras. Yeah, sutras was. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Can we go through exercise 7, Priyanka? I have a few things to clarify.
Yeah, 1 second.
For clarification. Yeah. I mean, small things. I mean, I just wanted some clarification.
Yeah. So which question?
First one is this Sodaraha, Saha, Saha.
Okay, the samasa part. Right?
The samasa, yeah, the equivalent. I mean, instead of
This one.
instead of samanam, it is sodaraha, right? Yeah. See there, sahodaraha is also correct. Saha samanam udaram is for sodaraha also. Saha samanam udaram is yasya iti. So the Vigravakyam for both is that. Saha samanam iti sodaraha. Saha samanam udaram yasya iti sahodaraha. So both are correct.
So you're saying this is also correct.
Yeah, yeah. Sahodaraha also,
Okay.
it's the same Vigravakyam. So there also saha samanam changes to sa. And sodaraha also, the Vigravakyam is the same.
Right. Okay. So can you, after the meeting, send me the other Vigraha Vakya? I'll add it here.
It's just, no, it's the same. Saha samanam udaram yasya saha sodaraha and yesham. Okay, tesham.
Okay.
Saha samanam udaram yasya saha sahodaraha. There also tesham will come.
So you're
So it will be
saying
plural.
Samanam changes to Saha.
No, no.
Oh,
The full Vigraha Vakya is saha samanam udaram.
it's Saha.
That is
Saha.
the saha samanam udaram yasya saha sahodaraha. Same for
Okay, right.
sodara also. Saha samanam udaram
Okay, but then
yasya saha
technically,
sodaraha.
but
Yeah, yeah, both samanam is there. In both
yeah,
Vigravakyams,
but I'm
samanam is
saying
there.
according to the question that I had given, then the answer would
Yeah,
only-
samanam is, no, samanam is there in both Vigravakyas, right?
yeah, but
Saha
you are
samanam.
putting in Saha, right? Extra.
Even in this saha is there. Samanam is also there, saha is also there.
Where is
The full Vigrahavakya for sodaraha is saha samanam
or you're saying
udaram. Or you
that-
can remove, yeah, or you can remove saha from both. Whatever it is, the Vigravakyam is the same for both.
right.
Yeah.
So this is just
And
that's all I need to do, right?
yeah, sahodaraha is also correct. Then one more thing is Sasya Shalini. The translation.
Mm-hmm.
Prithvi Sasya Shalini, Deshoyam Shobharahitah.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, Sasya Shalini is 1-1. Prithvi is 1-1. Sasya Shalini is Sasyena Shalini. So, I mean, we could say it is Sasyena Shalini, but Sasya Shalini is like Nadi. It is the female form of Sasya Shalin. Pratipadika is Sasya Shalini. The
Dirgha.
feminine version. Yeah, it is 1-1. Sasya Shalini is 1-1.
Okay.
Okay, so
this is
that is one.
Shal.
See, here also above you have written Shalin, Ni is feminine version.
Right.
So it is one usually. So it is endowed with cross. I mean, the meaning is correct.
Endowed with, yeah.
Yeah. So that is the one. And Rochate, where we are converting now above. Vachana conversion.
Was it in the beginning? Yeah.
Yeah. Mm,
Well, that's Samasa. Here.
yeah, this one.
Yeah.
It is rochate only. See that sentence, yadi rochate, there is no karta here. See, normally what happens is when rochate, when the word rochate is used in a sentence, the karta will always take the fourth vibhakti.
Okay.
Okay, it is always in the fourth vibhakti, so there won't be any special karta in that sentence.
Okay.
So here, if you say yadi rochate, you can use rochase also. If rochase was used, you can change it to rochete and rochadve.
Right.
Otherwise, this sentence as it is with rochate is correct. So the rochete will not, rochase will not become rochete. It remains as rochate only.
Okay. So
Okay, I mean,
here it
that's
would
how
say
rochate is used. Yeah,
rochate will stay
all three, it is just rochate only.
So it was not connected
Any
to Tvam, basically.
yeah, no, yeah, it is not connected to Tvam. See,
Right.
if it was so, they would have used rochase.
Yeah.
Explicitly, you can say if you like. It's not that. If like, I mean, agar pasand hai to andar, that meaning will come. You
Right.
don't really imply any person,
Okay.
because all words, all sentences using rochate, if at all there is a karta, it will be in the fourth vibhakti.
Okay.
So that is one thing. Then Niramaya ha. That one
I
also,
think,
but
Priyanka, you should say change the roche dve also. The last one you have not changed.
Yeah, right. Rochate. Okay, what was the next one?
Niramaya, this was a doubt. I mean, this was just a doubt. I was just going through some things today. It could be Nirgataha Amayaha Yasmat Saha Niramayaha. I don't know if it is Pradi, it can come under Pradi Tatpurusha. Because Pradi, we have those 22 Pradi Gana articles, right? So Nir is one of that. So the word for Nir will be Nirgataha Amayaha Yasmat Saha. I mean,
It
I
won't be
don't
Nanti
know.
Bahubrevi.
It could be Bahuvrihi also. Pradi. Oh, you've written Pradi already? I didn't see
No,
that.
I just added that after you
Oh,
said.
you just now you added? Because I was going through Pradi today, so I thought it could be Pradi also, because it is Nir is one of the Pradi, one of the 22 Pradi articles. Okay. I mean, you remember Pradi, there are 22 Upasargas.
Yeah.
So Nir is one of them, and Pradi Tatpurusha, we can, if one of those Upasargas are used, there is a word for each of the articles. So here, instead of Nir, Nirgataha Amayaha. I mean, I just came across this somewhere, so I just connected. So we can include this as a doubt. Yeah.
Okay, there. Okay.
That's it. Yeah,
Okay.
about this. Yeah. And Dukkha Bhag also, here it is Dukkha Bhaj. It is.
Sorry.
It will be Dukkha Bhaj. Bhaj is the
Oh, in the same
Pratipadikam.
exercise. 1 second. I closed it.
Dukkha. The Pratipadikam is Bhaj. Bhaj becomes Bhag.
So Malti ji, did you have any specific book or anything that gives you these kind of details?
No, I just read here and there.
Good, actually, very nice.
No, sometimes I search for it online, or I have some books from here and there what I have downloaded.
For a
So,
Bhagavad
Samasa, I
Gita,
keep,
that Medha Michika's version is available, but these I did not get anything.
Bhagavad
this
Gita, which ones?
Medha Michika's grammatical analysis of Bhagavad Gita is available on the internet.
That's only the first 6 chapters. And
First 6 chapter and 13th chapter is available.
13 chapter, it's not in PDF form, right? It's just available online in her.
It is available in her website.
Some blog, yeah.
Yeah. But in
See,
that she gives the samasas.
I bought a beautiful book of Bhagavad Gita grammatical analysis. Maybe
Who's written it?
I will share. This is the book. Can you see it? Yeah. Can you?
Yeah, but written by whom?
It is Samskrita Samvardhana Pratishtanam. Okay.
Oh.
It is ONGC CSR supported project of Sanskrit Promotion Foundation.
Oh, is it
This is
Sanskrita?
Sanskrit Promotion Foundation.
Sanskrita. What's
Okay.
the book name? Sanskrita?
Gitaya Bhasha.
Hmm.
Okay, this is the book.
Hmm.
Okay, maybe I will send you I will share the link. It's
Yeah,
brilliant.
that will
It
be
is-
helpful.
It is fully Sanskritam only, but total Anvaya, Padachedam and all Tadditanta, Kridanta, Samasa, Sandhi, everything for every shloka, everything is done. So there are
Wonderful.
4 volumes. It's like this. There are 4 volumes. So I will share the link. I just got it. I mean, before I came for the retreat, I had ordered and it had come. It is
Very
very
nice.
good. I mean, I found it. I mean, there, if you go through this, the samasas in the Gita shlokas, we can
Yeah, that is what
familiarize.
we
You know,
need.
as we are
Yeah.
doing Gita, we can get
Learn
familiarized
it
with
now. Yeah.
samasas.
Is it different from the Sanskrit Bharati books which also give you Gita?
I
The-
haven't gone through Samskrita Bharati books, actually. I know there is a set of Gita books, but this I just came across online sometimes. So I just wanted to order it and I ordered it. It's very good. Really nice.
So you can share the link in the group.
Yeah, I'll share the link in the group. It's a set
Okay.
of 4 volumes. If you order, it's coming from Delhi. So if you order it online, they send it promptly within a week or so.
Is it possible for you to just send a picture of one so I
Yeah,
can compare
sure.
it
Yeah.
with the Sanskrit Bharati book
yeah.
and see how
Yeah,
different it is?
I'll do that.
You
Yeah.
can tell us also how you find the comparison. Which
Okay.
one you think is better.
Yeah.
Be more,
No, actually, I have. I mean, I asked somebody who has seen Samskrita Bharati book also.
Okay.
okay.
She found this to be better. I haven't seen it. I mean, somebody
We can
who
always
saw
ask
this book
Swamiji
said,
also, you know, which one he would recommend.
we can ask Swamiji, yeah. But this book, we should, without showing it to him, I don't know, this just came up, you know. I mean, I was very surprised
Yeah.
to come across this, but it's quite nice. I will send for 1 or 2 shlokas. I will take whatever we have done now in class. Okay,
Yeah.
I will just take a snapshot of those pages and then share in the group.
Okay, so you were saying something about this one, right? Dukkha bhag, dukkhasya bhag.
Dukkha bhag is, I mean, actually the word is bhaj. Dukkhasya.
Bhag.
Bhaj is the pratipadikam and bhaj becomes bhag. I
So
think one becomes bhag. Yeah.
this should be ja.
Pratipadikam is bhaj. Yeah.
And it's a bahuvrihi.
Dukkhasya bhaj will be 60p, no? Part of sorrow,
Written
that's right.
like
Yeah.
both options, part of sorrow or bahuvrihi.
Yeah, could be. I don't know. Yeah.
Leave it like that then. The doubt.
Yeah.
All right. All done in this exercise, right?
Yeah. But here, I don't know if it can be bahuvrihi because it is dukkha bhag. It doesn't mean anything else. It is part
Part
of sorrow only,
sorrow.
right? It doesn't, there is no anyapada. So it could be just 60p.
Okay. Right. Okay. Anything else, anybody? Good to go. All right. Meeting is also about to end in 1 minute. So on time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ramesh ji, prayers, please.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.